Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Yashoda ma'am. Good evening, Harsh sir. Good evening, Geeta ma'am. Good evening, Manju ma'am. Good evening, Satya ma'am, Pooja ma'am. Very good evening to everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Very
Thank
good evening.
you.
Very good evening. All right.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Very
evening,
good
ma'am.
evening.
Very good evening, Geeta. All right. So today we are going to do the assembling of robot. So now basically we are moving on to how we can assemble the robot and now how the robot is going to move. All right. So in today's class, we will be learning how to assemble the robot. We will go slow and then we will move to the connection part. And then you will understand the light following robot and how the other robots move. Okay, perfect. So now Vedant is going to show you a very short video where you will get a little idea about how do we assemble robots. All right. I can understand that these are all very tiny, tiny components, which becomes very difficult for us to hold in hand. And, maybe many of us must be using the screwdriver for the first time, right? So we will go slow and understand how it works. So Vedant, can you share the video, please?
Yes, ma'am. Sharing the screen.
Thanks a lot.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, it is, Vedant. So can you all see, as mentioned in the previous class, that the first thing that we need to do is keep all our components ready, right? So we are keeping a chassis. There is a BO, this is a BO motor. The transparent thing that you see is a T. How are we fixing the screw?
We are inserting the screw in between the hole of our BO motor, and in between the screw and the BO motor, there is a T is there, the plastic part. Okay, it should help us to give a grip to our chassis to hold it.
Right, so we need to fix two BO motor. So this is one BO motor that you can see in the video right now. And then likewise, we will be fixing the other BO motor. All right. So Vedant, I think the other BO motor, we will just
Sure. Okay.
move ahead.
This is the second BO motor we are connecting to our chassis. Okay. We are using the screw and nuts to make it tight and be connected to the plastic upper plate.
Excuse
Yes,
me.
Shobha ma'am,
Sir, just now I joined. What time the class begins, sir?
at
The class starts
8:30.
at 8:30. So requesting everyone to kindly be on time because at sharp 8:31 we start with the class. So you
Okay.
haven't missed much. We are just, we are just showing you a video as how are we going to assemble the robot. All right. So
Okay.
requesting everyone to kindly join at sharp 8:25. Thank you. Yes, Vedant.
Okay. The second BO motor we have to connect like this. I'm going to pull the wires a little bit upward in this format. Okay. Once the biomotor is connected, we have to give the support from all these directions. Okay, everything should be balanced format. For that, we are attaching a caster wheel. Okay, like a rickshaw third tire. Okay. This is a caster wheel, is there in your kit, is a free wheel. Okay, that will help you to give us support. And it should be tight with the 4 screws. So there will be small 8 screws will be there, which we'll be using for this thing. And the 4 big screws will be there with 4 nuts. Okay. Next thing, we will attach the wheel. While attaching the wheel, in your wheel, there are the slots are there. A small gap slots are there. We have to match that gap slot with the white color thing which is protruding out of the DC motor. Okay, the BO motor, whichever is coming out, we have to just match the hole and the shaft size and it will get easily inserted. Okay, how to do, we will see afterwards. You have to just connect the wheel like this. And once the wheel is connected, it will look like this. Okay, any doubts still here?
Sir, it is really fast. I joined little late, like
So
eight-
many doubts.
Sir, actually, it is very fast. We are not able to do.
One second.
No issues. What?
Actually,
That's
Vedant,
Yes, sir,
fast,
it's very
actually.
One
fast.
minute, hold on. The video was just like a ready reckoner for you all to have a view, all right? Now we are going to do it along with Vedant, so we're going to go slow on it. So it does not mean that what we saw in the video, now you're all going to do it on your own, all right? So we're going to do it together. So Vedant, I'll put you onto the spotlight.
Sure.
Yeah.
1 second, I'll give you the code.
Now the first thing what you all are going to do is going to keep all the components ready. Okay? And Vedant has shared the screenshot of the components that's required. That is your chassis, your biomotor, your caster wheel, your nuts, bolts, spacers, and the T. All right? Keep all the components ready. I'm going to put Vedant onto the spotlight. Now, if you can all see this, this is a chassis. I want all of you to recall the first class, where you all must have understood what a chassis is. So chassis is nothing but a skeleton. Have you all seen sometimes on the street, you see that there is some car, you feel that it's a scrap, right? That's the skeleton. That means that's the body. Then you fix the doors, you fix the wheels, you fix the car seats, right? Likewise, in robotic, the transparent that you see, which is like a house, like a hut, that is called as a chassis. Compare it with a car chassis, which I just mentioned. So you place the car doors, you place the bonnet, you place the roof, you place the wheels. Likewise, we will start placing different components on the chassis. Now let's become friends with chassis. All right? The thing which you see like a roof on the top. Can you all see that? Like a hut? Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why everyone's taking so much of time? Okay, which you see. Thank you, Alicia. That for our reference in the class. That is the head part. Head. Okay? For our reference. So the moment I will say the head of the chassis, you must know the one which has like a rooftop, like a roof. Okay? And the opposite side, we are going to address this as a tail. Perfect? The head of the chassis, the tail of the chassis. Perfect? Let's become a little bit more friends with chassis. Look at the top. Can you all see that there are two plus sign? Just like what you see outside the chemist?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Fantastic. So there are these two plus signs. Just below the plus sign, can you see that there is a slit? Just below the plus sign, can you see the slit, teachers?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Perfect. Now, thank you, Rajalakshmi. So have we become friends with chassis? We understood the head. We understood the tail. We understood the two cross. Thank you, Pooja. And we understood that there are two slits just below the cross. Now, next thing what we are going to remember is the top of the chassis, the bottom of the chassis. Now, whichever side you take it as top and bottom, that does not matter. What matters is wherever you are going to place your BO motor, that will become the bottom of your chassis. Got it?
Got it.
Wherever you will place your BO motor, that will be the bottom of your chassis. Clear till here? Any
Yes, ma'am.
doubts? Perfect. That video appeared a little scary. Now see how things are becoming simpler. Thanks, Priya.
Ma'am, could you repeat this last part again?
Wherever I am going to place my BO motor, that will by default be the bottom of my chassis. Clear till here, teachers? All of you? Thanks, Asha. Thanks, Pooja. Thank you, Richa. So can we move ahead now? Perfect. Now, I want all of you to become friends with BO motor. So all of you, just take your BO motor in hand. All right. I see there are two wires. One is red color and the other one is the black color. Now these wires have been soldered by Vedant. Okay. So there's a hard work that's been done by Vedant Sen, that he has soldered these wires and he has sent it to you all in the kit. So if you will go to buy the BO motor from the market, it will not come with these two wires. So you will have to ask the vendor to solder this and give it to you all. Perfect. Then I see some white color thing protruding out. Perfect. All of you became friends with BO motor?
Yes.
Very good. Now let's explore the other components. Let's look at T. Can you all see this T? We are
Ma'am.
calling it as T. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, 2 seconds back, the video was stuck and the instructions I
video-
didn't get.
My video was stuck. Was it for others too?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
No,
So it
it
was
is
from
for
your
me.
end, Sindhuja. I
Yes,
think the
ma'am.
others
No,
did
ma'am.
not place. Thank you so much, everyone, for acknowledging that. So it
So-
was from your end, Sindhuja, though I will repeat it again for you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now we are becoming friends with T. So can you all see this T?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. You all have become friends. Let me just try and do little R&D, little bit. Let's try and put it in that slit and see whether it goes. All of you?
Yeah.
Perfect. So
Yeah.
shall I take another T also and place it from the slit? Thanks, Pooja. All of you with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Did you insert the T in the slit?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Fantastic. Now, I want all of you to take your BO motor. Wherever the BO motor gets attached, that becomes my bottom of
Bottom
my
side.
brilliant. Fantastic. Now, whenever you are placing your BO motor, the wires that you see will be facing the tail of the chassis. So this is how you all are going to place it at the bottom. The wires will be facing the tail of the chassis. All of you with us? Yeah? All right. Thank you, Taranpreet. So I am going to now place my BO motor. And I see these two holes on my T. Can I see? Vedant, niche se dikha from the bottom? Ha. Yeah. I want to now adjust my BO motor because in my BO motor also there is one hole. Can you all see? I want to ensure that these two holes of my BO motor and the two holes of the T must be aligned. Must be aligned. Why? So that I can take a screw. Okay, I'll take another T. I'm sorry for that. Why am I taking another T? Because I'm giving the BO motor support from both the ends. I will repeat it again. Just try and understand. Okay? What did I do? The two holes of my T, the two holes of my BO motor, again the two holes of another T. Keep all together. And the moment all of them are together, I'm going to take a screw and pass it through all the three holes of the T, of the BO motor, of the T. Do it with us, teachers. Can you all do this?
Did he use the biggest screw, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Did you all get it? T, BO motor, T.
Yes, ma'am.
Fantastic. Now what do I do? Obviously, I need to tighten it, na? Thank you, Madel. I can't leave it like that. So I am going to take a nut. Now, all of you, listen first. Now, our fingers are slightly, fat. The kids have got nice, sweet, tiny fingers. So they can do it very easily. But for us, it could be slightly difficult. So what are we going to do now? There are two options to it. Listen to me. Don't do anything. One, just watch what Vedant is doing. Either I take my finger and I roll it in. That could still be a little bit of a task. So the best option to do is give us support of my finger from the other end of the T and take a screwdriver and tighten it from the head of the screw. Got my point, teachers? You have two options. One, take the nut and roll it with your finger. If you find that difficult, place your finger, give it a support, go to the head of the screw, place your screwdriver, give a little push from here and tighten it. All right, let's do it together now. All of you. Take a nut, teachers. Vedant, it's okay, you don't loosen it. Take a nut, teachers. Place it. I will advise that take a support of the finger and tighten it with a screwdriver because that works better. Okay, take the head part of the screw and tighten it with the screwdriver. Is there anyone who's not able to do it or is finding it difficult? Please feel free to ask. Likewise, you will do for the other hole. Likewise, you will do for the other hole. Please do it, teachers. Is there anyone who's finding it difficult to do it? I think you all are so busy doing it that nobody even wants to unmute and say yes or no. Yes or no?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
okay, but it's a little bit challenging only, but I'm done.
मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है मैम, आप क्या बोल रहे हो? Oh, Priya, done? Fantastic. Priya, if you're done, I'm going to take my own name because I see Manju. So good, Manju is done. Boss is done. Nikhil is done. Nikhila. Priya is done. Fantastic. Now, likewise, Shobha is done. Let's do the other one. Both are done. Fantastic. Okay. Likewise, take another BO motor. Where will the wire be? Towards the head or towards the tail?
Towards the tail.
Fantastic.
Towards the tail.
Tail. Beautiful. All right. So Vedant, towards the tail. Yashoda is also done both. Fantastic. Now from the slit or from the top of the chassis, insert the T. Now go to the bottom of the chassis. Place your BO motor in such a way that the wires are facing the tail. Now, the T, the BO motor holes, and another T holes, all aligned together. I repeat, T, BO motor, T. Insert the screw from the aligned 3 holes. Take a nut and tighten it the way I said. Likewise, you will do it for the other hole. Take a screwdriver. and use the head of the screw. Give us support with your finger at the back end and tighten it. Once done, please give a thumbs up, digital thumbs up. Thanks, very nice, Geeta. I'm so glad quite a few have done both. Fantastic.
Ma'am.
Brilliant. Very good. Jyoti is done. Shazia is done. Vedanta is still doing, and you all are done. Huh? Yes? Yes,
There will be
Vedanta?
Yes, ma'am.
there will be 4 teas will be there in our kit. I suppose, yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
There will be 4 teas. Richa is done. Pooja is done.
Okay.
Now, the BO motor which I'm seeing. Very good, Sindhuja. Is it the top of my chassis or the bottom of my chassis?
Bottom of the chart.
Brilliant. Now let's see how it looks from the top. Vedant, can we just show them from the top?
Sure, ma'am.
It doesn't have a balance only. It's just like a seesaw. So what do? I need to give it a support, right? If I'm going to sit in a two-wheeler like this, assuming it to be a three-wheeler, this is going to be like a seesaw for me. So what is it that I need to attach now?
Wheels.
Very good. Which wheels? No,
That
the side wheel
white
or
color
the wheel
wheel.
in the front?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Front
Just a minute.
rolling wheel.
Do I need another extra wheel to give it a support?
Yes, ma'am. In
Brilliant.
front
Can I
we
use
one.
The white
And
one.
one rolling wheel we have to attach there, ma'am.
So can I make use of a caster wheel?
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes,
caster wheel, teachers, are something that you find in the trolleys, you find on your bags, you find on your chairs, right? Those wheels which are there, that's called as a caster wheel. There was
Excuse me,
someone.
ma'am.
Yes, please ask, dear.
Yeah, I have got 2 nuts less in the kit. So can I like use only one thing right now?
You can use only one.
You can use.
Though there will be in your kit, but if you want, you can just give it a support with the one screw and the nut. It doesn't.
No, I checked it actually. 2 are less, but
No
yeah.
problem. Then you only use one. No problem.
Thank you.
Welcome, dear. Okay. Now this is my caster wheel. Now what are the things, components that I need to keep ready? There is some beautiful golden color spacers. Vedant, can you show them?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you all see this beautiful golden color? These are called as spacers. Keep this ready, teachers. Then there are some small screws.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see this? Keep 8 of them ready, teachers. Keep 8 of them ready. Now, let's become friends with caster wheel. I see there are 4 holes. I took 4 spacers. I took 8 screws, chota. Now, how do I place this? I see so many small holes which are there. How do I identify the correct 4 squares that I need?
Ma'am, first place the wheel and according to that,
This
holes
is for you.
in place.
This is for you. Fantastic. I have to identify 4 holes. Okay. So I place my wheel on it. Vedant, can we just place it? Vedant is just showing you from the back. Here. Now, can you see? I can identify 4 holes. So even if I remove my caster wheel, that someone will have to be on mute, please. I don't know who's that. Yeah, Deepa, I'm just going to put you on mute, please. Thank you. Now, even if I remove my caster wheel, I can very easily identify 4 proper. It's not making a proper square, but more or less it's forming a square. Could you all identify?
Yes, ma'am. It's rectangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely, absolutely. Shall we proceed further then? Now, all of you will take this spacer. All of you have spacer in hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now just see how Vedant is placing it. He is taking it, that small screw, from the, ideally it is the top of the chassis, but the moment I have placed it the other way, I am placing it from the bottom. Vedant, do that again, please. No, no. Go. Yeah. See how Vedant is doing it. Okay? From the top to the bottom. All of you do it with us?
Done, ma'am.
Done? Perfect. Now all of you take the spacer.
On top.
Absolutely. Go. Clockwise. Turn it clockwise. Likewise. The other hole. From the bottom up. Take the spacer. Tighten it. Wait. Perfect. Now do it to the third and the fourth one. All done. Fantastic.
Well done.
Brilliant.
The chaser also. Keystone.
This is the easier way of doing it. You know, I and Vedant were trying to explore. So earlier we found that the method that we used were a little tough. So we try to make it more simpler by doing this. Perfect. Now all of you place your caster wheel. And now the other 4 screws. Place it, use your screwdriver and tighten it. Little bit you might have to align it, okay? That much of adjustments you will understand when you're doing it on your own.
If you work diagonally, then it becomes more easier.
Yes, I agree. We agree to that. If you go diagonally, it will become more easier. Very good. Done. Whiskets. Priya is also done. Ramya is also done. Richa is also done. Fantastic. I think this is the best batch till date. You've been very quick here. Otherwise, we spend the entire 1.5 hours just doing this. Very good, Yashoda. Fantastic. Shall I look at the top of the chassis now?
Yes, ma'am.
Brilliant. It has a proper balance. Does it have a proper balance?
No, ma'am.
No. What is missing?
The backside balance.
The side
Wheels.
2 wheels are
Side
missing.
2 wheels.
Absolutely. Now, all of you, let's become friends. Hold the wheel in your hand. Check there is a groove inside. Can you all see? Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, when we had become friends with BO Motor, we had seen some white colored tube protruding out. Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, that plastic groove, that plastic thing which was protruding out, and the groove of the wheel. Now look how Vedant is placing it. It's very simple. Just put it in and just give it a slight push from your palm. Vedant, do the other one. Just place it in the groove. And in case if you're finding it difficult, then probably you will have to give a little clock and an anti-clockwise. Otherwise, it's just a push. Can you see this? It's just a push. Fixed, Yashoda? Fantastic.
Done, ma'am.
Brilliant. Now
Done, ma'am.
now does it has a support? All set? Good to
Sir,
go?
can you show one more time how to push?
Brilliant. Just a gentle push, Sindhuja. Just take the wheel in your hand, dear, and just give it a slight push. Could you do it? Could you
Trying,
do
ma'am.
it? Done?
No, trying, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, I fix
Ah,
it. I
brilliant.
fixed it.
Okay, fantastic. Fantastic. Now when you were looking at the video, so many we have, it's very too many questions. Now tell me, was it difficult?
No, ma'am.
Exactly. All right. Now let's move ahead. The two wires which I was saying that the Vedant has welded that, soldered that and sent to you all. Any hole that you see from the bottom, then just go to the bottom part. Yeah, I take these two wires and from any of the hole, I insert it and I pull it on the top. I pull it on the top. Likewise, you will do for the other BO motor. So just pull these two wires on the top of the chassis.
Both the wire in same hole.
Both the wires, not the same hole. Both will come out from the other two different holes. Both the wires from the same hole. But there are two wires, right? Perfect, teachers?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Brilliant. Now, understand the concept of BO motor. Okay? Vedant, can we go at the bottom of the chassis?
Sure, ma'am.
Whenever we do something, we must understand the logic behind it. Don't just do things on face value. Try and understand, why have I fixed this? What is the reason behind it?
Ma'am, the wire, when the wheels are turning, the wire will come in between and then.
Absolutely. BO motor. The BO motor is a reason why your wheels are going to rotate. All right? The wheels are going to rotate.
Like steering, ma'am.
The rotation of the wheel. So whenever, remember, any of the projects that you do, and if your wheels rotate anti-clockwise, okay? If your wheels rotate anti-clockwise, I have to immediately put my thinking cap on, which is my point to troubleshoot.
The wires.
Brilliant. The wires which we are going to connect now, but you must know, I'm going to repeat this again when we move ahead. So these two wires which are there, this is going to be my game changer if I encounter any issues. Suppose my one wheel rotates clockwise, my other wheel rotates anti-clockwise. Am I going to touch both the BO motor? Which is going to be my point to troubleshoot? Quick, quick, quick.
A bit,
Anti-clockwise.
Yeah, the wheel which is rotating anti-clockwise. I'm going to make use of that wire. If both the wheels are rotating anti-clockwise, then I need to touch both my BO motors. That's my point of troubleshoot. Perfect? Perfect? Chalo. Now all of you move to the top of the chassis.
and one question, that is, you said it will rotate anti-clockwise. That
Yeah.
is what, but then why it will rotate anti-clockwise when it will reverse?
It will rotate because now
It
we are
will
going
get
to
reverse.
Sorry, come again.
Will it get reverse? Means when I
Yes, yes,
pull the
yes.
card
Yes,
reverse,
yes.
Yes. It can happen, right? Anything can happen. So that is what we have to understand. See, in robotics, remember, teachers, in robotic, if everything is going to move smooth, you will never be a good robotic trainer. Until and unless you encounter challenges and you know which are my point to troubleshoot, then only you're going to be a perfect robotic trainer. Because your learners can encounter so many different challenges. So you should know how to tackle that. So that is what we'll be covering in every step. So that you must know, okay, this happens, I need to do this. If this happens, I need to do this. Perfect? Now, all of you will now take the components and take a double take. I want all of you, there is a double tape which is also there in your kit. Yeah, Vedant, don't put the double tape on the motor driver right now.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. All of you? So what are the components required? Vedant, first we'll place the components. Can you see this beautiful motor driver? Take your Arduino Uno, battery, and your sensors. Now, Vedant, you'll have to go shift your camera a little in the back because the sensors are not visible. Yeah.
1 second.
Yes.
Let me adjust it.
Yes. Okay, all of you, take your battery. There is a rule for the battery. So kindly do not open or remove any tape. Just take the battery, your motor driver, your Arduino Uno, your sensors, and the double tape. Keep everything ready.
Can I see the motor?
Yeah, can you see this red color motor driver? We'll be exploring this in detail now. Please share the link of class in group. Which link, Richa? Richa, which link? 1 second, I have to read your... Please share the link of class in group as net is not working in laptop, so I have to take it from mobile. Vedant, can you share the class link with her?
Sure.
Thank you. Now, nobody is going to touch the battery, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sharing everything.
Yeah, Richa, it has been shared, so you can make use of that link and join from your mobile, all right? Now,
Could you clarify what are the two sensors?
Yes.
Yes. We are going to become friends now with all the components. Just told you to keep things ready. Now we'll become friends. Yes, Vedant.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Vedant, can you show them the sensor?
Yes. Okay. This is LDR sensor, which is having photoregister on it. It will look somehow like this. Okay. And it will be 2 pieces in your kit. Okay. It will look identical, same thing like a flame detector, but in the flame sensor, it was having a LED. Here we have a register, a photosensitive register. Okay. It
Sir,
will
by
detect the
LDR,
light.
Sir, by the name of LDR light sensor module 3 pins.
Yes, perfect. Light sensor
Oh,
module. It's also
LDR
known
module.
as LDR module, light dependent register.
Light dependent resistor. Got it.
Okay. So in this sensor, can anyone let me know which 3 pins are there? Can you figure it out? The names of it?
VCC is positive.
Positive,
Okay.
ground, and signal.
VCC is a
Positive,
positive
ground,
one, ground is a
and
negative one, and D0 is your signal pin. Okay.
signal.
That we had seen similar in flame sensor. Now, from now onwards, the sensors will get changed. Okay. And we have to make sure what we had connected. For me, the VCC pin is first. Maybe Sindhuja ma'am have second pin. Maybe the Sindhuja ma'am have third pin in VCC. Okay. That it can be get differ. So you have to make sure the VCC pin is your positive. This ground symbol, which you are saying here, for me, it's symbol. It can be your written as GND or a negative sign. It's your negative pin. And D0 is your signal pin. Okay. Some may have in your sensor DIN, out pin, etc. Okay. These words can be get differ as per the sensor module. Okay. Clear?
Perfect. So now, how are you going to keep in mind? One pin by default negative. Second pin by default positive. Third pin by default either a digital pin or an analog pin. Perfect. Previous class, do you all remember? So here it's a digital pin. Okay? So now all of you will take a double tape and place it behind your LDR sensor.
One second.
Yes, Veda. All of you, start cutting small pieces of your double tape.
1 second.
Yeah, Vedant, you can. Meanwhile, I'm just telling them, start cutting small pieces of your double tape. Okay? Place it behind your LDR. Place it behind the, how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Because you have taken 5 components. So behind every component, you will have to place your double tape. Okay? Because the objective is that I have to stick my Arduino on the chassis. I have to stick my motor driver on the chassis. I have to stick my battery on the chassis. That's my objective. Perfect? So, can you see this? How Vedant has cut? Vedant is being very generous. He's using very big double tape. Okay, Vedant? All right. So, all of you will peel that. Peel the back side. And stick it on the chassis. I don't want you to do that for the motor driver because I want you to become friends with the motor driver. Can you all see this? Likewise, the Arduino, there is no rule, teachers, that Arduino has to be placed here, motor driver has to be placed here, battery has to be placed here. No. So take the Arduino and stick it on the chassis. Now don't stick the motor driver because now we have to become friends with the motor driver. Let's stick the battery. Yes, Vinam. So all of you place it behind the battery too and stick it on the chassis. Done, Pooja? Very nice. Chalo. Now don't stick on the motor driver for a while. Let's become friends with the motor driver now. So all of you take the motor driver in hand. Okay. First, I'm explaining you something and then we will do a small exercise. All right?
Ma'am, 1 second. Can you
Yes,
show me the battery with sir and me too? Because I got the different battery too. Sir.
Vedant,
Hello.
why
The
Sangeeta?
wire side should be back side, right?
Okay, this is a battery. You having the black color holder in your kit, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think so. Nabila ma'am and another one should be they will not have the battery. Okay. They will have a black color socket in your kit. Okay, you have to use it like a battery. Okay.
Show how you fixed, sir.
Like this. Normally,
The wire.
guys. You have to stick it at back end.
Okay, the wire should be false back.
Huh.
So what did you say, Ron? That we received it? I've got the battery just without the batteries.
You got the battery like this?
Yeah, but just without the actual batteries.
So sorry, ma'am. Your voice is getting cracked.
Yeah,
So there are no
she's got the similar one. You've got the similar one which we are using, right?
Sorry, I didn't hear you,
I
Manju.
said, have you got the same battery, Nabila? The one which we're using? Or you've got the black one?
Yeah, I've got the black battery, but there's no batteries inserted into them, so I've just inserted my own battery into them.
Vedant, she's got no battery. I think she's got that black color socket, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I'm outside the country, but I've
Yeah,
inserted.
yeah, because we are not allowed, we can't send the battery. Yeah. So,
No
I'm
worries.
sure, yeah, Vedant, I think he had already conveyed that you'll have to procure the batteries, right?
Yeah, not a problem. Thank you. Thank you for clarifying.
Yeah. Okay. Now, yes, Taranpreet?
Sir, can you show me which side have you fixed the battery? Because I cannot get it because there is a wire on one side. Can you show me how have you
Any
fixed the battery?
any side you can fix it. There is no rule such a you have to fix in a such a way. Okay. You can place
Nothing
it
is
here.
mentioned on my
Noth-
battery, which is the top side or which is the bottom side.
That's I'm saying. No
Doesn't
rule is
matter.
there.
Okay, done.
This is just a
Understood.
plastic, blue color plastic cover given on it. It's
So the Arduino board also should be pasted also.
Yes, we
Arduino.
had pasted like Arduino Uno board is pasted, motor LDR module like this.
Yeah, that I finished. Arduino and yes, okay, thank you.
Let's move to the motor driver.
Let's move to the motor driver now, teachers, and let's become friends. Now, that all Vedant will explain to you in detail. I'll just explain you the rules and what are we going to call. Can you see something with blue color? Vedant, can you hold it in your hand? Now the side ones which you see where there are two, we will be addressing that in the class as side two towers. We will be addressing it. All right. Side two towers. Yes, teachers? Then in the front, I see there are three blue color. We will be addressing that as front three towers. I repeat, side two towers, front three towers for our understanding. Now let's turn back of the motor driver. Can you all see the side two towers? What is it that is written?
Out 1 to out 2.
Very good.
Out 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. Out 1, out 2, out 3, out 4. Brilliant. Now let's look at the front three towers.
Positive, ground, and
Positive.
5 volts, ground, and 12 volts. 5 volts, ground, 12 volts.
And 12 volts.
Brilliant. And what is this motor driver called? It is called as L298N. Very good. So are you all become familiar with the side two towers and the front three towers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, just next to the front three towers, there is something which is black color, some black pins. Right? Let's turn back and see what is written.
Input pins.
Very good. Okay, there's nothing mentioned in that, no issues.
No, on my side, here it's in the small handwriting is written in the
Okay.
another side.
Okay, they're called as iron 1, iron 2, iron 3, and iron 4. Iron 1, iron 2, iron 3, and iron 4. Perfect. So we became friends with the motor driver. The side 2 towers, output 1, output 2, output 3, output 4. Then I became friends with the front 3 towers, 5 volts ground, 12 volts.
12 volts.
Then I became friends with the black color pins, iron 1, iron 2, iron 3, iron 4. Perfect. And I also came to know what this motor driver is actually called. All right. Now, Vedant will explain you Vedant, if you could just explain them a little bit more about the motor driver.
Sure, ma'am. Okay. So let's understand the name. First of all, the L298 motor driver. The name falls because of this IC. Okay. The IC which you see here, it is a L298N IC integrated circuit. Okay, which will help us to drive the motors. Okay, clear till here? Now in this, there are the 4 sockets are there. Okay, means side 2 towers are there, each having 2 holes, right? So 4 wires can be inserted in this. Each tower will have each motor. Okay, this side will have 1 motor, this side have 1 motor. In the motor driver, out 1, out 2, out 3, and out 4, there is no positive, no negative. Okay, any wire can be connected anywhere because in DC motor also we had seen there is no positive, no negative. Okay, this is a bi-directional pins. Okay, any pin can be anything. Okay, so we are calling them bi-directional pins. Okay, just the connectors with no negative, no positive. Clear till here? Output 1, output 2, output 3, and output 4. All out pins clear. Okay, it's
Yes,
just
sir.
the connectors of DC motors. Okay. Yes, Deepa ma'am.
So the name in my case, it is L298N.
Same for me.
It's not. Okay, I thought it was LC for you. Okay, L29. Okay.
Now let's move forward. Now coming to this towers. Okay. In this thing, you can see 5 volt, GND, 12 volt. Okay. So GND will be your negative pin. Okay. As per our what we had seen till here, GND will be negative pin. Plus 5 volt and plus 12 volt will be your positive pins. There are 2 positive pins in your motor driver and 1 negative pin. Let's understand once again. 2 positive pins, 1 negative pin. Please check everyone. Is it there same? Right? So why these 2 pins are there different? Let's understand that first. Okay. In our kit, there are 2 DC motors are there. Okay. 2 motors are there which are running on 5 volt to approximately 8 volts. Okay. So 5, 5, 10. Okay. My Arduino is working on 5 volt. Okay. But I have my battery which is giving you the voltage around 12.6. Okay. Means around 12 only. Okay. The battery which we are having right now in this kit, it's 12 volt. Okay. It's a small battery which can be used for small projects and creating the small robot car. Okay. But we are using the more than here only DC motors. We are using 16 volt, 8, 16 plus 5, 21. Okay. So run everything smoothly. The motor driver comes in picture. Okay, which will help us to give you the same power at each and every point of our circuit in a required format. Okay.
Like a register, sir?
Not like a register, it will like a generator. Okay, which will help you to give the differentiate the power in a perfect way. If Arduino want 5 volt, it will provide the Arduino 5 volt. If your motors want 6 volt or 8 volts, it will provide to him. Okay, like that form.
Sir, it is like giving the additional power to the thing.
Yeah, it's perfect. It can be, this can be what can also, it will be used as an additional power. It's not creating the power, it's giving the power. Means it's using only 12 volt only, but it's
like
uh,
a stabilizer.
that word is also perfect. The stabilizer word. Okay. So it's giving the powers perfectly to each pins. So that's the reason our
Controlling the power fluctuation, right, sir?
sorry, ma'am. Yes. Can you repeat the question again? Hello.
My network is very low.
Okay,
So
no
that's
issue.
why
Please write in the
struggling.
chat. I will just read it out. Okay. Let's move forward.
Yes.
We are having 12 volt pin, GND pin, and 5 volt pin. In our battery is working on 12 volt. Okay. So it should be connected to 12 volt only. Okay. Then GND means your negative pin. You have to connect your negative pin to your battery, to your motor driver, which will give you the power, which will mean the power will be taken from our battery to your motor driver, and motor driver will pass on to your motors. Like this. Clear this much? Any doubts?
So now,
Repeat.
No, this thing again, we will be doing it again about the connection part, which you really don't have to worry much. Thanks, Pooja. So don't worry on that. Once we will move to the connection, you will understand it better. But just for now, we had to understand what motor driver is. We had to understand the side 2 towers, and we had to understand the front 3 towers and the iron 1 pins. The rest, everything will fall in place as we are going to move ahead. Don't get too confused right now. Now we are going to do a small exercise. All of you will take your motor driver and take a screwdriver. Okay. Do you all recall that during the COVID times, the bank had that shield, right? And there was one small little window which was open. And now also, if you look on the cashier counter, you will see that there is one little Rajalakshmi, I'll put you on mute, please, dear. Okay. Where he slides the money and he gives us. That small window. That is what you can see what Vedant is showing. That's it. We just need one small window to open so that I can slide my wire in. That's my objective. Okay. So why are we doing this warm-up exercise? Because sometimes it's a little hard to open. So all of you, do not open it full, okay? Just be very gentle. Little window needs to open. Perfect. So all of you, place your screwdriver on the side tower and try to loosen it and open the window. Likewise, you will do for the opposite 2 towers and the front 3 towers. This is a small exercise which all of you will do right now. Open the screw, all of you with the screwdriver, and just open the little window. Don't open it completely, just a slight window. Now, is there anyone who's finding it difficult to move the screw? That's it. Can you see this Vedanta sliding the wire in? That much window you have to open it. In case anyone is finding it difficult to open it, Geeta, you're able to do it? Fantastic. Always remember to keep the component on a hard surface. Never hold it in the hand and do it. Always and always place it on the table and do it. It is going to be easier and your component is going to be safe. Otherwise, there are chances that you can damage it. So always learn to do robotic in this format, that you must always have a table or you must have a hard surface where your components have to be placed. Don't do it on the bed. Even if you're doing it on the floor, it's perfectly all right. Or you're doing it on the table, but not sitting on the bed and doing it. Okay?
The front 3 tower screw also need to be loosened.
Yeah. It needs to be loosened. It's an exercise that we are doing right now.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Fantastic. What about others? Very good, Pooja.
Done, ma'am.
Fantastic. So since now you have all become friends with the motor driver, you can put a double tape and place it on your chassis. Very good, Madel. I don't know what's your name, so I don't like to call you WizKids or Madel. I need to know your name.
Madel, ma'am.
Madel? Okay. So all of you please support one finger. What is it? Please support one finger to tower. Tower is shaking while losing. What is that? What is that?
It gets little bit in between loose. Don't worry, it will not come out. It is properly soldered from back end. Okay, don't worry. It's a plastic part.
Okay, so place it on the chassis, all of you now.
Sir, can you show how the double tape is fixed?
Yeah, that's normal double tape. How you stick it?
We are not supposed to close this nails like things, no?
No, it doesn't
Which?
matter. Just place it anywhere. There is no rule as such. Just place your double tape wherever you can. Open it and fix it on your chassis.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Till now, any one of you, any questions, any doubt, or anybody felt that our pace was fast, please let us know. Were you all able to keep up with our pace?
Today class is little fast only, no? For my.
Thank you, Pooja.
No.
What about others? Thank
It's
you.
fine, ma'am.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Richa. Clear till now? Fantastic.
Vedam, could you just show how you fixed it on the chassis?
Thank you, Anand.
We had not moved to that part yet. A second.
Fantastic. So I think, Vedant, everybody's quite okay with the pace and they all are with us. Perfect. Thank you so much, Yashoda. Now all of you will remove this double tape and place it on the chassis. All right, place it in such a way that this black thing which you see is facing the battery and the front three towers are facing the Arduino Uno. Place it in such a way. That means the front three tower is facing the head of the chassis. Perfect?
Yes.
Can we move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Now, the BO motor, the two wires which we removed it from the top. From the hole at the bottom, we bought it on the top, right? Agreed?
Do we need answer?
Battery one at a time, please.
Vedant, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
The battery, we got two wires, so red and black.
Huh?
So black wire is ground for now, sir.
It's
Right,
a ground, but we are not come on that
We have
part.
not come to battery at all.
Okay, sir, but you are closed with some these things are plaster. If I going to remove this, it will cut it, sir.
Wait for some time. We are not moved
Don't
at that
touch the
part. Don't
battery
remove
at
the
all.
part.
Just do along with whatever we are doing. And
Sir, actually, I tried to open that, but that black wire, the front part is cut it in the between.
Okay, can you share the picture so we can move forward till that time?
Okay.
Sir, do we need to paste battery as well?
All the
Yes.
components has to be placed.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So do you all recall that we had brought those two wires on the top which I had said that Vedant has soldered this and sent? Thank
Yes.
you, Pooja. Now, what did Vedant mention when he was talking about the side 2 towers? Does it have positive or negative?
There is no positive and negative.
Brilliant. And who said
There's
that?
no positive.
Taranpreet.
There,
Taranpreet, this is for you. For paying, you are attentive in class. So for me, though the color is black and red, it doesn't matter in which tower I'm going to place it. I'm talking about the side 2 towers. So place one wire in one tower, place the other wire in the other tower. And then tighten the screw. Gently, just that the wire should not come out. Can you see Vedant is trying to pull the wire and he sees that the wire can't come out? All of you with us?
yes, ma'am.
Sindhuja, have you done it?
I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? Dikti is done. Fantastic.
Yes, ma'am.
Fantastic. Both are done. All right. Now take the other side 2 tower, the 2 wires, and place it on the side 2 towers. No positive, no negative. And tighten it and just pull the wire and see if it's coming out. If the wire is coming out, your project will not run. So you have to ensure that your connections are perfect.
Done.
Done? All of you done? Thank you, Medel. What about
Yes,
others? Yes, dear.
Ma'am, just the last thing, can you just repeat once the to that LDR, that connection we are doing now, the black and white? Yes, ma'am. Yes.
This is the motor driver.
Okay.
This is the motor driver, and these are the side 2 towers, and the 2 wires of the BO motor which we pulled it up on the top of the chassis. So that we are connecting to the side 2 towers and to the side 2 towers. There is no positive, there is no negative. You can insert it in whichever window you like.
And then we will tighten the screw?
Yes, you have to tighten it, because if the wire comes out, then your program will not run. Perfect, all of you? Perfect. So one part of the connection. Now I want all of you that it has to get into your subconscious mind. I don't want you to think, oh my God, so much of connections have to be done. The connections have to be like this on your fingertips. So the first connection that we did right now, step 1, that was the BO motor. Tell yourself, all of you. The first connection that I did right now was of the BO motor. Paka?
Yeah.
Now, step 2. I have created a rule for myself. That means we all have created rule. And what is that? Which connection are we going to do first?
Negative.
Round.
This is for you. Negative connection.
Negative.
Brilliant, Taranpreet. So now, all of you will take the negative wire of your battery. That is the black color wire. Do not turn it on, please. Ensure not to turn your battery on. Just like we were not connecting the USB when we were doing our connections. So you have to keep this in mind. Now, come to the front 3 towers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, I'm holding all these 4 batteries to fix in this socket. Do I need to fix it now, or I need to
Afterwards. Wait, don't connect.
All right. So the front 3 towers has a 5 volt, has a 12 volt, and has a negative. Do you all agree? Yeah. Where is the negative?
In the middle.
Middle one.
Brilliant. The middle one. Fantastic. Fantastic. So all of you, take the negative of the battery. Yeah, Vedant. Can you remove that tape? Yeah.
Sure.
And place it in the center of your middle 3 towers. In the
Right.
center, and do not screw it. Wait. Do not tighten it. Hold on.
One second.
Okay? Vedant, I think you can remove the double tape here. And just put the battery a little ahead. Okay? Now, think. I have created a rule for myself. I'm going to do all negative connections. So obviously, no, I have to connect my motor driver to Arduino also. Arduino is my brain. Without brain, what will happen? Henna. So, but in my middle tower, I have only one negative socket. Only one negative window. So what do you think? Shall I add one more jumper wire in this middle tower?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. So add another jumper wire and then tighten it and insert that to the GND of the Arduino Uno. To the GND of the Arduino Uno.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. Could you please repeat the step?
Yeah. Step 1, BO motor. Step 2, all negative connections to be done. My starting point of my negative connection is my battery. So from the battery, I take the black color wire. I come to the front 3 towers and I realize that the center tower is the negative tower. So I place my battery wire to the middle tower. But I immediately realize I also have to connect to Arduino. Right. So I take one more jumper wire. I insert it in the middle of the tower and I connect that to the GND of my Arduino Uno. That means the middle tower will have 2 wires inserted. One coming in from the battery and the other one is the jumper wire. Anyone? Any doubts till here?
The two male pin, right, sir?
One is from the battery and one is the male end, male to male.
Yeah, the jumbo wire, style of the jumbo wire is two male pin. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Can I tell myself negative connections done?
Excuse me, ma'am.
No, can I tell myself, Suman, can I tell myself negative connections done?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am. Two more
Sensors.
sides sensors are.
Sensors.
Binduja and others who said this. Two sensors are waiting there for connections.
Yes, I did. Yes.
Right. So I know that in my sensor, one is by default negative, other one is by default positive, and the third one is my digital pin. Anyone, any doubts till here? Pakka?
Ma'am,
Yes, yeah.
we are the on switch that we are taking from the middle one, and that we have connected to the board in the middle one. Yes, ma'am. And the jumper
Yes.
wire is also from the middle one.
Correct.
Correct.
Both
Can
the
you
things
tell
will
me
be
why
from
did I do that? Can you tell me why did I do that?
negative connection. One is from the battery and another is from to our Arduino.
Brilliant.
Arduino.
Brilliant. So in my in the front three towers, how many negative do I have? How many negative?
Six.
In my front three towers, how many negative do I have?
One.
One. That is the reason two wires got inserted, no? Got it? Yes or no? Rupa, yes or no? Take
Yes, ma'am.
Really?
It is very easy.
Vedant,
Huh?
Vedant,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, I received only one sensor, sir.
No, it will be two sensors in everyone kits. Check once
No,
again
sir.
in your bag.
Again. Still I'm searching. I received only one.
Okay, fine. We'll check it after the class, ma'am. No issues. Just we'll move forward with the connections of these wires.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
Sir, in the battery, two wires are there, no, sir, black and red.
Right.
If we remove that, there is one end, there is a white plaster.
Right.
If
Like
we
this.
remove that, it
You
is
don't
so
have to
hard
remove
to
that.
remove.
You don't have to remove. You don't have to remove. For me, it has been get removed for by mistakenly when I switch
Sir,
my
same-
wires.
Some,
Na,
some
Same
gum
thing
it
tape
will.
is
happened with
put in
mine
the
also,
end.
sir. Vedant sir. Same thing
Okay.
happened with mine also. When I was trying to pull out, it came out. That clip also came out.
Yes,
And
sir.
I'm unable
So
to fix
some
that.
gum tape they have put it to the end. If we
That-
pull that, wire has come out. That means it is not insulated now.
Okay, fine. Can you just send me the pictures of it? What you had, means what has been done in that? And no worries if you had means wires has been pulled out now. Just twill the wire, give
Okay.
a twist to
Yeah,
it,
it's like
and
this. It's like this.
then insert it wherever you want.
Okay.
Okay.
That's what I
Okay.
tried.
That's why I placed the
It
battery
worked.
in here.
It worked.
Yes. Okay. This is the robotics where we have to do trial and run. Okay.
All right, perfect. Chalo. Now when I look at my sensor, I look at the pin and the pin is little thick. So shall I use the male end or a female end?
Female end.
Brilliant. So all of you take the female end, insert it wherever you see your negative. Don't follow way down. Wherever is the negative symbol in your sensor, put the female end and take the male end and put it to the GND of your Arduino. That means I'm using male to female jumper wire. Likewise, the other sensor, I insert the female end to the negative and I place it to the GND of my Arduino Uno.
Ma'am, but we have already used two GND, no, from the Arduino Uno.
There are 3 GNDs.
There are 3 GNDs.
The third one is towards the digital pin, right?
Yes.
Analog and digital.
There are 3 GND pins on your Arduino.
2 from analog, 1 from digital.
Wherever you take, it just doesn't matter. You can go, that sensor can
Could you
come to the
repeat that?
analog, this sensor can go. Take whichever GND, the work is going to be done.
Ma'am, like in LDR chip, ma'am,
Yes, dear.
in the LDR chip, the negative you're telling it to see from our chip, but there is nothing negative is mentioned.
What symbol
Like,
is there? Is there any symbol? Is there any symbol?
DO, VC,
What is VCC?
that is positive terminal.
Perfect. What is
VCC,
D? One second. What is DO?
digital,
Perfect. So what is the remaining one which has to be?
the ground, the middle one will be the ground.
Negative one. Absolutely.
Wires are not going.
So now we can tell ourselves negative connections done. Now you understood why rules to be created?
Ma'am, could you repeat that sensor connection once again? Sorry for that.
No, you don't have to be sorry, dear. I have a question for you. Which connections are we doing right now?
We're connecting all the negative.
We are connecting Satya, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We are connecting all the negative.
Yes.
Now you take any one LDR sensor and
Okay.
check where is your negative?
Yes, in the middle.
Middle one. Which jumper wire do you think you will be able to insert in that pin?
Male and female.
Perfect. Can you insert the female end?
Yes.
And can you connect the male end to the GND of your Arduino?
Okay. I got it now.
Yeah. What will likewise you will do for the other sensor?
Okay, to the another ground of Arduino.
Brilliant.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Everyone done with the negative connections? Thanks, Pooja.
Sir,
And
what is DO on the sensor? Sir,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
what is DO on the sensor?
Digital pin means digital pin connection, signal output. The signal pin, which we had seen in Tinkercad as a signal or the out pin, like the output pin. Digital output.
It's already 10 o'clock. It's 9:58. We have 2 minutes remaining. Do you want us to complete the positive connections?
Yes, ma'am.
I knew that is
Ma'am.
Take care. Okay. Now, all of you, take the positive, that is a red color. Starting point is my battery. Starting point is my battery. Now, I have a question for you all. See, this is how I want you to put your thinking caps on. My front 3 towers. Geeta, what is remaining in my front 3 towers now?
Positive?
12
No,
and 5
how
volts.
many volts are remaining?
12.
12 volts.
12 and 5.
1 volts and 5 volts.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Thanks, Anita. Thanks, Taranpreet. Thank you, everyone. That means I have 2 positive. I have 2 positive ports.
Yeah.
Did I have 2 negative?
No.
No.
Yes, 2
I had only
positive,
1
5
negative.
volts and 12 volts.
Correct. Now, because I had only 1 negative, I had inserted 2 wires inside.
Yeah.
But that I'm not going to do for positive because I have 2 positive towers.
Okay.
Got my point now?
Yes.
Now-
One is for battery and one is for Arduino.
There you go. Fantastic. And Vedant mentioned, no, that the battery is how many volts?
12 volts.
12 volts.
12 volts.
Very good. So I'm
12
going to
volts we can
very good. So the battery 12 volt, I will connect it to the 12 volts of my front tower and tighten it. This is my step 3. Step 3. Today post class, there is a homework. I want all of you to put these steps in your mind. Vedant, you have gone vertical.
1 second.
All right. All of you connected? Then I have the third tower, which is 5 volts. And I have to connect it to my Arduino. I have no choice. That's my brain. So I take another wire, insert it in the 5 volt tower, and connect it to my Arduino 5 volts.
5 volts.
We are,
We will connect it to VIN pins, teachers. We will tell you why. Connected to VIN, that is your voltage input pin. Connected to VIN, voltage input pin. All that logics we will explain in the next class. Can I tell myself positive connections done?
No, ma'am, the sensor also.
Ah, very good. Sensors are remaining, no? So all of you will take the male to female VCC of the sensor and connect that to 5 volts. I'll just answer your question, boss. Just give me a minute. Likewise, the other sensor, the VCC, will be connected to 5 volts.
maybe in your Arduino Uno 3.5 volt,
3.3.
one more extra pin will not be there. Okay,
Okay, so
the
use
variations comes. You
Yeah.
can use 3.3.
3.3. Because this is also the new Arduino which we have sent. The earlier Arduino used to have 2 5 volts. Okay, so
Sir, I can't connect my positive of my battery because it's very thin. It's not getting inside.
You have
And
to
I
just
can't.
little bit peel it off. Little bit you have to peel it off using a blade or a scissor. Just we have like peeled off. Don't worry.
Then one more time from 5 volts. That please repeat, sir.
Okay, we are connecting our motor driver 5 volt pin to our Arduino Uno VIN pin. How we are using? We are using a male-to-male jumper wire, inserting one hole of our motor driver 5 volt and connecting the another end of our jumper wire to our Arduino Uno VIN, voltage input pin. Okay, then as per our rule, we have to complete all our positive connections. Okay, then we'll move to our any one LDR sensor VCC pin to this 5 volt and another LDR sensor we are connecting to 3.3 volt. Okay, if you have extra 5 volt in your Arduino Uno, you can connect it or else you can use 3.3 volt. Okay, both are
Yeah,
fine.
okay. Got it, sir. Got it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
So
sir.
now we are going to tell ourselves positive connections done.
Ma'am, just a minute. We have
Not it, ma'am.
two positive points, 5 volt and 3.3 in VIN, under VIN. So we have already 1 volt to connect the motor. Then how am I going to connect both the sensor wires? One I'll use 3.3 and another one?
5 volt.
Check in your Arduino Uno, there is a 5 volt, there is VIN pin and there is a 3.3 pins. So they are all positive. So from the motor driver which I took, I connected it to VIN pin and both my sensors, ideally we connected to 5 volts, but this is a new Arduino Uno. So you have one 5 volt and you have one 3.3. So you connect any sensor, one to 5 volts and the other one to 3.3.
Ma'am, I can only see one 5 volt and one 3.3.
Yeah, so connect one to one 5 volt and connect the other one to 3.3.
But then the motor sensor, we have already connected the positive wire to 5 volts, no?
That
No,
is
we
to
have
be connected to VIN.
Okay.
We have connected that to VIN.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Now,
sorry, I'm very sorry. May I ask or shall I stop?
Yeah, please ask.
The last point only I'm getting again confused. Like from our LDR sensor, from VCD, we will take that one and where do we will place, ma'am? Please that step you again explain.
Which connections are we doing, Nilima?
Positive connections, ma'am.
Positive connections. Which are the positives in your Arduino Uno?
Positive. 3 Arduino Uno, 5 volts and 3.3 volts.
There you have answered the question. So one sensor you connected to 5 volt, the other sensor you connected to 3.3.
Oh, okay, okay.
There, the answers are lying with you all only. Yes.
Sorry.
Okay. Now, in my sensor, which pin is remaining?
Signal pin, ma'am.
Very good. Signal pin.
Digital output.
That is my digital pins. So I have my digital pins from 0 to 13 and I can connect it to any of the pins that I want to. But I'm going to ask Vedant because he has written the code. So which pins has he used? So accordingly, we will connect our DO to those digital pins. Yes, Vedant.
7 and 8 we had
7
used.
and 8. Now, any one of the LDR you connected to 7 and the other one you connected to 8. Digital pins.
FMAUX mode.
Sindhuja ma'am, you're on mute.
Sir, I'm still on struggling in connecting positive of my battery.
You have to just open your motor driver.
Yes,
Okay,
I
motor
did,
driver
sir.
screw little bit. Apply the bat wire inside in it. Just your motor driver hole of 12 volt. Okay.
So
Make
just
sure your
cutting.
hand is
The wire is
connected.
so thin, so
Uh-huh.
it just getting cutting off if I'm putting inside. It just bending or it's not properly going inside like that.
Okay, no issues. You are receiving your battery by Monday, so that will not affect your problem while making the circuit. Right now, you just practice. Okay, you will be getting receiving by Monday. I just checked. Okay, that's not
Okay.
the issue.
So now all our connections are done, teachers.
So can you show me the connection because it is so thin?
No, which connection do you want?
The last one, what we have, the
So please tell me what
I
is the
just
last.
want the
Is it Deepak?
digital connection.
1 minute, 1 minute. Is it Smita? Is it Smita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the connection that we were doing, Smita?
Number. I want digital connection. Number.
The digital
As
connection.
opposed to the code.
Yeah.
I had a glitch, so I could not hear.
Okay. Are you done with all your positive connections?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the digital pins which are there in your sensor are connected to 7 and 8.
Okay. That is
Okay.
7.
Alright.
Any one now of this? Thank you,
Any
ma'am.
sensor we can be connected anywhere. There is no problem at all.
I'm done.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask questions very quickly. Okay. Now my first question will go to Rajalakshmi. Rajalakshmi, unmute yourself. And I want
Yes, ma'am.
each one of you to be very attentive. What was my step 1 in the connection?
Output
Only
that
Rajalakshmi will answer. What was my
this
first
yellow
BO motor?
VO motor
Connected
to two towers, side towers.
Side 2 towers. Fantastic. Step 2. I'm going to ask Dimple. What is the rule that we created for ourselves? Unmute yourself.
Negative connections first.
Brilliant. So when I'm doing my negative connection, my starting point is the
Battery.
fantastic. So from there, where am I connecting that?
Motor driver.
No, the front 3 towers, which is the negative tower?
Center one.
The center one. Is there one more wire which will go inside?
Yes, ma'am.
Brilliant. So there are 2 wires which goes to the center tower. So that you connected to?
With the Arduino, GND of the Arduino.
Brilliant. Then after that?
Then after we have connected sensors negative wires.
Brilliant. So now all the negative connections done. I'm so glad, Dimple. I'm proud of you. Now I move to Geeta because I can only see their cameras on, so I'm asking them.
Yeah.
Geeta, what is my step 3?
Step 3, we connected the
rule that we have created for
12 volts.
No.
We connected.
No, 1 second. The rule we have created for ourselves. First we did was all the negative connections.
Negatives, yes.
Second is what?
Connect all the positives.
Brilliant. Starting point of the positive connection.
A battery positive.
Fantastic. How many positives are there in the front 3 towers?
2.
One is the 12 volt and the other one is the 5 volt.
5 volt.
How many volt is your battery?
10 volts.
12 volts. So
12 volts.
that is connected to the 12 volts of your front 3 tower.
Yes.
So which is remaining? Which I have to connect to the Arduino. You don't even have to see. It should be by heart by now. 5 volts.
5 volts. Yeah.
That 5 volt is connected to what of the Arduino Uno?
3
VIN pin.
7 pin number 7.
No. I'm talking, we are doing the positive connections.
Yeah.
So the 5 volt is connected to the VIN pin of the Arduino Uno.
Yeah.
Correct? Now comes your sensors.
Yeah.
One sensor is connected to the 5 volts, the other sensor is connected to 3.3.
Yeah.
Now can I tell myself all positive connections done? Yes or no?
No.
Why? What is remaining now?
The
Who would
digital
want to
pin.
take a lead in step 3? And the digital pin, I'm still on the positive. Who's going to take a lead? Alicia, can you tell me the step 2 again? What Geeta was saying. Can you repeat it?
Ma'am, batteries 12 volt positive will connect to the motor driver circuit.
Which
VIN,
tower?
that is 12 volt.
Brilliant.
Then motor driver 5 volt will connect to the Arduino 5-in.
Brilliant. Perfect. Then comes the sensors.
Then both the sensors VCC pin will connect to the 5 volt and 3.5 volt respectively.
This is for you, Alicia. Fantastic. Now, step 1, BO motor connected. Step 2, negative connections done. Step 3, positive connections done. Step 4, what remains now? Yes, Smita.
Is the digital pins connection.
Fantastic. So where are these digital pins connected?
The one which is the 2 sensors we have. One we have to connect to 8 and one we have to connect to 7.
Is there any rule that I have to connect it to 7 or 8? I can connect to any digital pins. Any digital pins for you. Fantastic. I'm proud of Raju Lakshmi, Dimple, Geeta, Alicia, Smita. Thank you for cooperating and answering. Now, I want all of you, after this class gets over, please write down these steps. Step 1, BO motor, side 2 towers, no positive, no negative. The rule I have created, negative connections. Entire circuit negative connections, starting point is the battery. Then my positive connections, starting point is my battery. Then my DO pins which are there. So I have total 4 steps. In the next class, I and Vedanta are not going to say any connections, and we are going to ask you all. So be prepared for that. Okay? Perfect? And I hope you found it simple and easier.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Brilliant. Brilliant. All right. So now we will. This is what we had to do for today. We will upload the code in the next class. I know you all must be super excited to upload the code, but we'll do that in the next class because we've already crossed the time. Now we are only going to take the doubts. Okay. So the ones who want to leave can leave, and the ones who want to stay back can stay back. Perfect. Please write it down. I want you to write and put it in the WhatsApp group. So I will know that you all are very religiously doing this. So it's going to help you all, not us. Right? So please do that. Thank you, Dharanpreet. Thank you, everyone. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Vedant.
Thank you
you,
so
ma'am.
much. Thank you, Deepa. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Vedant sir.
Thank you so much, Rupa. Thank you, Ramya. Thank you, everyone.
Vedant sir,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, still, I received only one sensor test.
Please check in your kit and just those who are receiving the components which are missing, can you just click the whole picture of your kit and share me what you had received so I can check with the team and let you know? Okay.
So excuse me, sir. So
Yes.
on the WhatsApp group, I had put that where how can we download the resources, and are there any resources that we can get like to use in the school for
This
the
all these
students?
resources are there in your LMS. All codes are downloadable format. Okay, so you can use it. And
So how
regarding the
to
down,
download it? But I tried, but I didn't see any
okay,
option.
code is shared in your WhatsApp group. You can download. You are downloading already whenever the class is getting completed at that moment. And the files which are there, it will be that the team is working on that. Okay,
Okay.
still we are not to make it on.
So that means now we cannot download it,
You
no?
can't download right.
Okay.
That is not downloadable format.
So are there any resources like any site wherein we can
You
get?
can go through the YouTube. YouTube is the best platform to study these things. Okay, I will suggest that if you want to explore more, but first of all, in that you should know how to read the code. Okay, we'll take one session on that. Okay, how to
Yeah.
read the code. What are the major things we have to understand in that code, and then you can easily move on. Anything you can get. Means if you just receive one code from online platform, you
Yeah.
can create your own robot. Okay, I can vouch on
Okay.
that. Many participants are doing. And we had for everyone there is when we had shared created one Padlet link. Okay, I'm sharing your group WhatsApp groups. Okay,
Okay.
those who are creating something new or some what are the projects you are creating in the class, try to create some video or picture and upload in that. Okay, if you
Okay.
can, if you are connecting with your math, science subject, try that also. Add that things also in that link. So those who are adding more stuff in that Padlet, we are giving them a certificate that will be also on our system. Okay, that is
Okay.
working well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes,
Vedant
Indira ma'am,
sir.
you are raising your hand. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, up to negative, I'm clear actually.
Okay.
Once I stuck with this red pin, I just missed the 12 volts and the 5 volts, I think. So I just want to ask.
Glad you said that because so am I. Vidang, I've actually got a question. Sorry, as
Yes.
she's asking, because I don't have the switch, I'm unable to.
For you, because your voltage of your battery is not moving more than say 7 volts. Okay, it's around 7 volts will not require a switch. Okay, you can directly connect and remove the wire whenever you want. And how to do that, I will let you know when we move on to the main part of it. I will show you some different things while using this kit. Okay, what you have with you. At
Right.
that time, we will figure it out. But right now,
So
I want
now-
you to all to follow the same steps.
Great. I'm just going to follow her as you go through the positive connections.
Yeah.
as I
Whenever
understand.
changes
My-
are there, I will make sure I will let you.
My only concern is that the red wire is generating a lot of heat. So I don't know. Is that going to pose a hazard?
Yeah, it's for current passing line. Just remove the wire for some time. Don't connect it.
So
for
shall I
it,
just remove it?
remove that and remove one cell also. Okay, from
Okay,
your
because
kit.
if I remove it, I have to unlock it. So, I mean,
Yes.
but it's always hot when it's in the positive connection.
Just remove the cell wire. Just remove
Okay.
the cell wire.
Great. Thank you.
Yes, Sindhuja ma'am will let you know what to do in the system. Yeah, 1 minute.
Is there any more questions? Sindhuja, you've raised your hand. You have any question? You'll have to unmute.
Hello, ma'am.
I just asked now.
Okay.
Is the camera is on?
Sijit, you have any question?
Yes, ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
We have two sensors, right? One
Yes.
is connected in 5 volt and other one is connected in 3.3 volt.
Absolutely.
Right.
That 3.3 volt, can we connect in that motor driver 5
Yes,
volt?
you can. Yes, you can. You
Then
can
no
connect,
problem,
no
right?
issues. But there is small change, means one small thing we have to keep. Your sensor can get damaged if you directly connect here. And why that's so, I will explain in the next class. So it will be more easier in this. Okay. There is one reason is that you can connect, but there is a chances of getting damage.
Okay, fine.
Sure. Yes.
Good.
Sindhuja ma'am, let's sort let's solve your
Vedant,
doubts.
Sujit, we would be covering a little bit of logic that we have to understand what is flowing, why are we using, all that we will do in the next class. Yeah? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
One
Ramli?
second.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Vedant, sir,
Yes.
I don't have any doubt, sir. Can you share the pic, whatever you have connected that to the group so that we can recheck?
Sure. I will share it.
Yeah, okay. Thank you,
I will
sir.
share
Thank
it.
you. Good.
I
You
don't
can take a
want Vedant to
screenshot
share.
also.
Vedant, don't share Vedant.
No, sir, we want because if any mistake is there, it's very difficult to get the component again. No, sir,
No,
that's
no,
why.
no, 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 no. Rupa, first try doing it. The entire circuit diagram is there in your LMS.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I will
Entire.
try first.
Yeah, first try. Just try. Put it in the WhatsApp group. In the next class, when you'll do in the next class, you'll become more thorough. Okay?
Yeah.
I want you
It's
to use
little
your
bit
logic. Step one.
complicated, ma'am, because too many wires, finally we will get confused.
See, the wires are too many. But if you have a framework in mind, you will never get confused. If you
Yeah.
give yourself first step, BO motor, second step, all negative connection, third step, all positive connection, fourth step, my digital pins. How does it matter whether you have 100 of wires? You
Yeah,
are
yeah,
in your
that's good.
mind with your framework. You just need to keep that in mind. Don't look at the wires.
Yes, ma'am.
Just do
Okay,
that.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
We will give you everything, but first I want you all to try.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Good night.
Yeah, good night. Yeah. Somebody else was also asking question. Yes, Vedant.
Yes. One second. Sindhuja ma'am, just follow the steps with me. You had connected first the positive wire. Okay. Done. Then
Negative. I connected all my negative wires, sir. I'm stuck.
on your battery socket, there is a red color wire which is connected to 12 volt, right?
Yes, sir.
Then we
It
had
should be-
connect
It should be there.
in the 12 volt, this pin means in the first pin, first hole.
Yes,
first motor,
first hole.
first section.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then it should be tight with the screwdriver.
I can't.
Smita, what was your question meanwhile? Smita, you had a question, no?
This wire is damaged. It's getting splitted like this. I can't roll it and pull it inside.
Okay. Okay, just hold. Okay, share me the picture. I will show you the one trick. I will share you one video so you can how to peel that wire. So it will be more easy for you. Okay, I will share it with you. Okay.
Actually, I peeled it, sir, but
means
what
while
happened?
peeling it, getting up two things.
The wire splitting. Even I'm just screwing it and pulling it, it just getting bending. It's not getting inside because it's very, very thin actually.
Okay, I will share you one video how to do that. It will be more easier for you. Okay, I'll share it with you. Just give me some time. I'll share it with you. Any more doubts? Sindhuja, we'll connect with you. Okay, we'll connect with you tomorrow at after before 3:30. Can we connect so we can solve this issue? Okay, and eventually you are receiving a new battery pack. Okay, so this issue will automatically get deleted before the next session. Okay. Fine.
Tomorrow I'm having school actually.
Okay. Okay, then we'll connect on Monday at 4 to 6 p.m. in between. And
Yes, sir.
on
Yes,
Monday
sir.
you are receiving the battery only. So this issue is only getting resolved automatically. So that's not a big issue.
Okay,
We'll
sir.
cover this remaining parts once again on the Monday. Okay. Whatever
Okay,
done, just keep it like that. Don't remove it.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sure. That's it. End this. Okay. Any more doubts, Deepa ma'am? Ajinkya sir, Smita ma'am? Thank you, everyone. Thank you.